Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you something super useful. How you can use VEO3 every single day without spending a single credit. Yes, it's 100% real, and it actually works. If you've been frustrated by those daily credit limits or you've already burned through your free credits, don't worry. This trick lets you bypass that restriction completely. And the best part? You don't need any VPNs, fake accounts, or shady tools. I've personally tested this method over and over, and it works like a charm. So if you're someone who loves generating videos with VEO3, but hates running out of credits, this video is definitely for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps, nice and easy. Now, before we jump into the full breakdown, if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so more creators like you can find it. Let's get started. All right, for this method, we're going to be using Flow, and I'll be logging in with a Google Pro account. The reason I'm using a Pro account is simple. It gives the best results for what I'm about to show you. It's the most effective setup for this trick to work exactly the way we want. Now, as you can see here, I'm already logged into Chrome with my Pro account. If you don't have a Google Pro account yet, don't worry. You can get an account by subscribing and enjoy a 1-month free trial. If you look closely at my Flow dashboard right now, you'll notice I've already used 940 credits. And honestly, I'm not trying to burn through the rest of them anytime soon. That's exactly why I'm using this method to keep generating videos without touching my remaining credits. Now here's where things get interesting. I'm going to walk you through how to generate up to 10 high-quality VEO3 videos. And the best part is that it won't cost you any credits at all. First, head over to the website I've linked in the description. This site gives you direct access to the VEO3 model, and it allows you to create multiple videos in a single day without using up your credit balance. It's honestly a game changer if you've been stuck dealing with daily credit limits. Once you're on the site, you'll probably notice the interface looks pretty familiar. It's clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Now take a look at this section right here. You should see the VEO3 option available. Some of you mentioned in the comments that the VEO3 model didn't appear for you. And that's exactly why I suggest trying it through this method. You're more likely to see it show up just like it does on my screen right now. Go ahead and type in your video prompt like you normally would, then click the Generate button. While that video is processing, let me show you something even more useful. You can actually create multiple VEO3 videos at the same time if you have a faster machine. Look for the play icon on the screen. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Open in a new window. This will launch a fresh session where you can begin another video generation without touching your existing credits. You can repeat this process several times and have multiple videos generating side by side. Just be mindful of your computer's performance. If your system isn't very powerful, try not to open too many tabs at once to avoid lag or crashes. This method is simple, effective, and perfect if you're trying to scale up your video production quickly without spending anything. Now, if the trick with opening a new window didn't work for you, don't worry. That doesn't mean the method is broken. Sometimes, depending on your browser or system, it just doesn't respond the same way. In that case, the best thing to do is to simply be patient. Let your videos generate one by one in a single window. It might take a bit more time, but the results are still solid, and the credits won't be affected. As you can see here, These are a few of the videos I've already created using this method. I even tossed in a little fun one. Let's preview a few of the videos I generated with this method, after which I will show you how to download them.
I studied all night for the wrong exam! Now I'm cooked! Only I defeated these guys. Subscribe to AI Pipeline channel to unlock my secrets. Your Honor! I didn't subscribe to AI Pipeline. I deserve the full sentence.
Wait, I haven't subscribed yet? That explains my spreadsheet looking like a war crime.
Now let's talk about something important, which is how to save and download your VEO 3 videos for free. Once your video is done generating, click on the folder button above the Insert tab. After that, wait for it to open. This gives you the option to either create a new folder or select an existing one to organize your projects. Once you've chosen the folder, click Move to send your project there. Now head over to your Google Drive and you'll find the saved project sitting right there. Click on the video you want to download, then tap on the 3 dots beside it and select Download. That's it. Repeat the same process for the other windows if you've generated more than one video, and you're all set. Now, back to Flow. As you can see, even after generating multiple videos, not a single credit was used. That's the beauty of this method, and honestly, I think this is going to be my go-to from now on. It's smooth, it's efficient, and it saves me from constantly watching my credit count like a hawk. Just keep in mind, this method works only if you're using a Google Pro account. If you don't have one yet, no problem. Click the link in the description to subscribe and enjoy a 1-month free trial. And before we wrap up, if you value your online privacy and want to keep your browsing activities secure, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's the same VPN I personally use to protect my data, access region-locked content, and stay completely anonymous online. With just one click, NordVPN encrypts your connection and hides your IP address so no one can track what you're doing. Plus, it works perfectly for streaming, gaming, or even working with tools that may be restricted in your area. You can grab an exclusive discount using the link in the description, and they even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. Stay safe, stay private, and browse without limits. Now, if everything works smoothly for you, then awesome. You're all set. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and share this video with someone else who needs it. I'll catch you in the next one.